Innovate Trust is a not-for-profit disability support organisation working across the Vale of Glamorgan, Rhondda and Taff and Cardiff. We are always looking at ways to upskill our employees, so when one attended a webinar through UNISON Wales Union Learning Fund, it set the wheels in motion for a new partnership. The Wolf Project is committed to providing social care workers with dedicated webinars and face-to-face courses, both in partnership with employers and through their All Wales webinar programme. An initial phase of 3 British Sign Language Level 1 courses were delivered by Adult Learning Wales, with a follow-on Level 2 course to enable staff to continue to develop their newfound skills. These courses were co-funded by the Wolf Project, provided by Welsh Government and Innovate Trust, with 68 learners taking part. The second stage was the delivery of the bespoke time management and managing difficult conversations courses, funded through the union's exclusive member learning offer.
Do you think unions have got an opportunity, certainly through the Wales Union Learning Fund project, to support additional development, to support that professional development, help people in their careers? Maybe perhaps they want to explore a new career and a new pathway, and the unions are there to help and support that.
Things change, situations change, environments change, individuals change over time within the services that we provide, so we never stop learning. We value our staff. We haven't got pockets full of money, so when UNISON came along, we grabbed it with both arms, and we're able to work in partnership with funded and non-funded courses to provide that essential training that people need. Our agreement has become a model for how UNISON and social care employers can work together to reach out and make courses available to workers who may not have previously had much access to learning. The programme has succeeded in increasing the work-related skills of workers, assisting them in supporting the individuals they work with, and formalising the relationship between the union and the employer around learning.